How to use COVID-19 pandemic to find great stocks to invest. By the Money Coach team. Coronavirus has vortex-like bristles on its exterior. If we talk about their subgrouping, then there are 4 main subgroups of coronavirus, including alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. There problems. Investment during a pandemic. COVID-19 and the stock market. The world is experiencing a horrible situation right now, which may have never before seen a pandemic-like situation. Suppose we are getting in touch with financial resources from all over the world. In that case, you can see that it may take a considerable unpredictability throughout the future's prudence as well as individual financial situations. But what if I notify you of how you can invest during this pandemic situation or in any marketplaces, and flourish? I realize that you people have many cross questions that how the COVID-19 is preceding the collision to the marketplace. If you are not sure about what peaks and valleys of the stock market may occur and not convinced that where the providence is, you are not sure about what peaks and valleys of the stock market may occur and not convinced that where the providence is conduct, then listen up. I am here to tell you about all of these. I want to tell you how it could be beneficial and acknowledge you about the market stocks. COVID-19 pandemic.